Good morning, everyone. Welcome to Live Trading Action by InTheMoneyStocks. My name is Nick Santiago. Today is December 3rd, 2015. Thank you all for tuning in. So today, Mario Draghi from the ECB, he's the ECB president, he spoke today and he did a little bit more quantitative easing over there, but not quite as much as the market participants had hoped for. And you could see that the dollar had ran up into the Draghi speech. So it's a typical buy the rumor, sell the news. And you can see the dollar is plunging lower today. Now, a lot of traders have already been emailing me, where will the dollar go? And I'm about to expose where I believe the dollar is going to put in a major support level. Now, first off the bat, a lot of people are probably watching the moving averages, and they're going to be support. There's no question about it. But with this kind of thrust from a high pivot, when you take out all of these bars, you engulf on the downside this sharply and this severe, it usually will go lower. And a level I've worked out is 96.57. Now, this is the Z contract. This contract will expire this month, so just be aware of that. Price can change once we move over to the March contract. But right now, the US dollar index, which is the dollar versus a basket of 6 currencies, the most notable being the euro, the British pound, and the Japanese yen. But what you're going to see here is that the dollar should come through 97. You probably test around the 96.50 to 96.60 level. And I'm just going to draw that in here so everybody could see. Right around here is where you want to look and step into the dollar again. Now, ultimately, the bigger pattern on the dollar is higher. Now, everybody's been calling for the higher dollar. And the reason, that's probably one of the main reasons why the market is selling off today. So Mario Draghi disappoints. He doesn't do as big of a quantitative easing as the market had hoped for. You have a lot of hedge fund managers on the wrong side of this trade, and what happens? The dollar just gets absolutely roasted and toasted today. And what you'll see here is what markets love to do. They like to test moving averages, no doubt about it, but they love to test prior breakout levels. And if you take a look here, this is the prior breakout level right there, and look how the market popped up and then it back tested right here. So see how this ran up, came down, back tested, boom. That tells you where it wants to go. It vibrates along that line. That's where the market wants to go. The dollar should go down and test the 96.50 area. Could be 96.75. It could be 96.25. It's going to be somewhere there, give or take 50 cents or so. That's about right. That's about what you look for. You're never going to nail these things perfectly to the penny. And again, traders that want to do that, and I've done it a fair amount of times, I just attribute it to luck. It's very, very difficult to do. But when you see this kind of a decline, this is where the dollar wants to go. Once the dollar gets here, that is your long trade setup. So traders that have been looking to get long the dollar, this is where you do it. When this gets down to around 96.50, 96.60, that's where you step in. You buy dollar there. And again, in due time, it should trade to new all-time highs. All right, that's my my take today. Hope you enjoyed Live Trading Action by InTheMoneyStocks. Again, if you want to trade alongside of us, come on over, take a 7-day free trial to our research center. This trade in particular, I will be doing down here probably via the options market. So come on over, try out our option service. It's been a stellar year in our option service. I'm going to look to keep that going. But again, this is definitely going to be a money-making trade once it does hit our levels. With that being said, everybody, have a great day, and we will see you on the charts.